Hello and welcome to the ISO 9001-2015 Awareness Training Program. In today's session, we'll begin with Lesson 2, Understanding Quality Management Systems, also known as QMS. Let's dive into what QMS means, why it's important, and how it helps organizations. In this video, you will learn what is a quality management system or QMS, the key components of a QMS, simple and easy to understand definitions, the benefits of using a QMS, and finally, best practices for effective implementation. This lesson is designed to be simple, visual, and relevant to your daily work. What exactly is a quality management system? A QMS is a structured set of policies, processes, and procedures. It helps an organization plan, control, and improve how it produces products and delivers services. It ensures that customer requirements and regulatory standards are met consistently. Let's look at the key components of a QMS, along with examples relevant to garment manufacturing. Policies describe the company's quality goals, like, we aim to produce zero-defect garments. Procedures are step-by-step instructions, such as an SOP for operating a stitching machine. Records are documents that prove work was done properly, like a fabric inspection report. Responsibilities define who does what, like a line supervisor checking quality at each stage. Each of these plays a critical role in building a reliable QMS. Here are some simple terms you'll often hear. A process is a set of activities that turns inputs into outputs. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure, a guide on how to do a task correctly. A quality policy is a statement showing your company's commitment to quality. A record is documented proof, like a quality check sheet, that something was done. Understanding these terms makes it easier to follow and apply QMS principles. Using a QMS has many benefits, such as fewer defects and customer complaints, better efficiency in operations, reduced waste and cost, increased confidence from buyers and clients, and improved internal communication across teams. It's not just about documentation, it's about better performance and quality. To get the most out of your QMS, follow these best practices. Keep SOPs short and use pictures and diagrams when possible. Regularly review and update your quality procedures. Involve all staff in quality meetings and improvement activities. Encourage open communication. Let people report issues without fear. These simple steps can make a big difference in your factory's performance. Summary of Lesson 2. A QMS is how a factory manages and controls quality. It includes policies, procedures, and records. It helps in reducing defects, improving training, and building trust. All parts of a garment process should be part of the QMS. We hope this session gave you a clear understanding of quality management systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future lessons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in Lesson 3, the 7 Quality Management Principles.